In this video, we will see the use of the operator number of characters and how it works. This character counts the number of characters in a text string, which could either be coming from a saved data or something as dynamic as being entered into an input while being typed. Now, we have a multi-line input here, which we are using for the task description for a task list, and in this we will be entering the value, and what we can see is that now we have a text that is calculating the number of characters in real time to let us know about how many characters have we entered in a input. So now how to do this? Let's go to the editor, and in our editor here we have this text here which is calculating the number of characters for input. This is so maximum characters allowed. In this we will be using multi-line inputs value, and then we will be using the operator number of characters. So here we are calculating the number of characters that is being typed into the multi input value, and we have just applied the operator next to the inputs value. So this is now calculating the number of characters in the multi-lines value as we are typing, and to give us a sense of number of characters that is being remaining, we are using another expression which is an arbitrary text which is the total number of characters, and then we have converted it to number, and then we are minus or subtracting the number of characters that is being entered into the input. So this will give us the count for the characters being entered into the multi-line input. So as we see in a video, that as we are typing, we see that the number of characters is increasing as we are typing the characters in the input, and this is calculating every character that we are entering, including spaces, and next to it, it tells us the number of characters that are remaining. Along with it, we have the small circle progress bar, just like we can see in some tools like Twitter that give us a visual display of the number of characters used or the number of characters that are remaining. So this is how the operator number of characters can be used in our apps. So that's it for the number of characters. And to learn about more such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Thank you. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.